In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Bybit. So, on your Bybit account, navigate the profile icon on the top right corner. Click on that, and then it will redirect you to the overview of your profile. So, as you can see in here, I'm not yet verified. So, I may not show you how to change the payment. So listen carefully as I explain. So on the account information in here, you will see here the payment method of your account. So as you can see in here, I don't have one yet because I'm not yet verified. So once you've seen a change payment method in here, under this account info and then identity verification, you can now change your payment method. Just simply click the change payment method, and that's it. That's how you change a payment method on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.